Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TinyTask for Anime Vanguard's Igris. First, download the TinyTask application, which is a small, free program. Once downloaded, open it. Next, launch your Anime Vanguard's game and navigate to the Igris section where you wish to automate tasks. Ensure both applications are ready before proceeding to the next step. This initial setup is crucial for smooth operation. Now let's record your actions. With TinyTask open, click the red Rec button. Immediately switch to your Anime Vanguard's game and perform the sequence of actions you want to automate for Igris. Be precise with your mouse clicks and keyboard inputs. For example, if you're farming resources, execute the exact steps. Once finished, switch back to TinyTask and click the Stop button. This captures your entire sequence. After recording, it's time to save and play back. Go to File, then Save, and name your macro something descriptive like Igris Farm 1. This saves your recorded sequence as a rec file. Before playing, you can adjust playback speed and set the number of loops in the Preferences menu. For instance, you might set it to loop 10 times. Then, simply click the green Play button, and TinyTask will replicate your actions automatically. To optimize your TinyTask macros for Anime Vanguard's Igris, consider a few advanced tips. Adding small delays, perhaps 50 milliseconds, between actions can prevent issues with game loading or animations. Always ensure your game's window size and position remain consistent, as TinyTask records exact pixel coordinates. Finally, thoroughly test your macros in a low-risk area of the game before relying on them for critical tasks. This ensures smooth and error-free automation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.